How to do GIBSON hazard zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve. Press Ctrl+A to select all the clips in timeline. Right-click on one of them and choose Change Clip Duration. Click on Frames, set it to 5 frames, and click Change. Now from Edit menu, choose Delete Gaps. Hold down the Alt key and scroll to zoom into timeline. Go to Effects panel, click on Open FX, and search for Transform. Drag Transform Effect into the first video in timeline. Move the playhead to the start, select the first video, open up Inspector panel, and click on Effects tab. Click on Diamond button next to Zoom to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of first video and set Zoom to 2 to add another keyframe. Expand animation and increase motion blur to 1. Right-click on the first video and choose Copy. Press Ctrl+A to select all the clips, then hold down the Ctrl and click on the first clip to deselect it. Right-click on one of them and choose Paste Attributes. Check Video Attributes checkbox and click Apply.